This is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. Today we're going to look at 6 amazing benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds have been known as a nutritional powerhouse for thousands of years. They were a basic staple in Aztec and Mayan cultures because they are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and many nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. They are also loaded with antioxidants such as quercetin, kaempferol, and caffeic acid. As a result of its contents packaged in these tiny little black seeds, there are 6 amazing benefits of chia seeds. Are you ready? Chia seeds, number 1, help us to manage weight. It only takes a 1-ounce serving, which is 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds to give you 39% of your recommended daily fiber allowance. The soluble fiber in the seeds absorbs water. This allows the seeds to expand in your stomach and makes you feel full. In this way, chia seeds help you to manage weight loss by making you feel full. Number 2, chia seeds lower inflammation. Boy, we've talked about that a lot. Chronic inflammation is a root cause behind many diseases. It's the caffeic acid, a powerful antioxidant, along with the quercetin, that helps to fight inflammation in our bodies. Keeping the inflammation levels in your body low is a key to staying healthy and avoiding complications with flus, viruses, including COVID-19. Number 3, chia seeds reduce cancer risk. Interesting, right? Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that help promote a lower omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio. This lower ratio is associated with reducing risk of both heart disease and cancer. The fiber in chia seeds also helps to remove toxins from the body. Yes, toxins actually attach to the fiber in your digestive tract as it carries these toxic substances literally out of your body. Number 4, chia seeds protect your heart. As mentioned before, yes, chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids which reduce the risk for heart disease. The quercetin, a high antioxidant in chia seeds, can also protect your heart. The fiber in chia seeds helps to lower blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. And who doesn't need that as you get older? Number 5, chia seeds improve blood sugar levels. It's the rich fiber in the chia seeds that helps to reduce insulin sensitivity and improves your blood sugar levels. Fiber in general slows down the rate sugars are released into the bloodstream, and this is great for both diabetics and those with type 2 diabetes and those trying not to get type 2 diabetes. Number 6, improved bone mineral density. Because it contains magnesium, phosphorus, and ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which have all been linked to research to improved bone mineral density. It just takes, again, 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to get 9.8 grams of fiber, 4.7 grams of protein. Did you hear that? A great source of protein. 5 grams of ALA or linolenic acid, and no grams of sugar. But with every food, there are a few cautions. Eating too many chia seeds can cause gas, bloating, and constipation due to the high fiber content, especially when you're not used to it. And some people with inflammatory conditions such as Crohn's disease don't tolerate chia seeds well. You must also drink plenty of water when consuming them, or soak them in water or in a smoothie before consuming. I put chia seeds in my smoothie every day. I hope this information has been helpful for you and that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like this video, share it, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until next time, here's to your health with healthy chia seeds, enriching your gut lining where most of your immune system lies. And may God bless.